Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, open YouTube Studio and go to the Videos editor. This puts you right into the workflow. Once there, click Add VoiceOver to launch the recorder panel. Make sure you choose the correct microphone and set a safe input level so peaks don't clip. Also decide whether to keep original audio or replace it. Keeping it helps match timing. When levels look good, press record and perform a short test line to confirm clarity and timing. Now you'll record in focus segments so editing stays fast. Record one take per scene, pause, then record the next. This keeps breath and timing natural and reduces retakes. Once done, drag your new voice clip to align visually with the timeline markers. Make sure transitions hit on action or key visual beats. Use the editor's trim and fade tools to remove breaths and soften cut points, and apply light noise reduction to remove room hum. This preserves intelligibility without sounding processed. Finish by balancing levels. Lower background music and set your voiceover roughly 3 to 6 decibels louder for clarity. Once mixed, scrub through the entire video at normal playback speed to check pacing and lip or action sync. Make small trims or fades as needed. When satisfied, save the edit and publish or schedule. If you encounter sync drift or pops, try nudging the clip by 1/10 to 2/10 of a second, or re-record the problematic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.